Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Jira for design bug tracking step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Type in the URL for your Jira instance. Press the Enter key on your keyboard. You will be directed to the Jira login page. Locate the login form on the page. Enter your username or email address in the designated field. Next, enter your password in the password field. If you want the system to remember your credentials, check the Remember Me option. Once you have entered your information, click on the Login button. Wait for the page to load after logging in. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you will be prompted to enter the verification code. Check your authentication method, such as your mobile app or email. Enter the verification code in the provided field. Click on the Verify button to proceed. After successful verification, you will be taken to your Jira dashboard. To track design bugs, navigate to the Projects menu. Select the relevant project you are working on. Once in the project, click on the Issues tab. Here, you can view existing issues and bugs. To create a new bug, click the Create button. Fill out the required fields in the bug report form. Provide a clear title and detailed description of the bug. Attach any relevant files or screenshots if necessary. Select the appropriate priority level for the bug. Assign the bug to the relevant team member, if applicable. Click the Create button at the bottom of the form to submit the bug. Your new bug will now be listed under the project's issues. You are now ready to track design bugs in Jira effectively. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.